Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be telling you about a little double hung window I made and showing you some of the electronics that I've added. Sash windows were brought to America in colonial times. After World War II, vinyl windows were introduced, along with the growing demand for air conditioning in homes. This led to newer, more energy efficient windows, making sash with a single pane obsolete. However, you can still find sash windows throughout America, especially in historic districts. They are a true example of sustainability and beauty in a window. Now I need to tell you about what makes double hung special. Being able to open the top and bottom sash lets cool, fresh air in through the bottom and warm, humid air out through the top. First thing I want to show you is that you can still open these windows normally. And this would be the full ventilation opening where both the top and bottom are even. And this system would fit into an existing double hung or single hung. Now when I turn this on, I've got a limit switch in each corner and the motors and the pulley will run till they hit the limit switch and stop. So this will also help square up the motor as it's going down if it's going down at an angle. This is also going to give us a nice home position, zero position we can make other moves off of. So if I move that bottom sash up, we can keep track of the position and we can send that location to another board. Here's information starting to come in on sash position. You can see how this information could be useful in a cross ventilation scenario with multiple windows in a room. You could also imagine how something like a fan could be incorporated. The last thing I want to tell you about is the local shops that can make these windows. The whole idea here is local, from the shops and suppliers all the way down to the customer. Everyone will get a little chunk. Here's an example I can show you. This is an old millwork catalog from the Chicago Millwork Supply Company out of Chicago, Illinois. Next page, you see their shop. Then it says, to buyers of millwork, we are manufacturing in Chicago in a wholesale way. In trading with us, you are assured of good stock and manufacturer's prices direct. Here are all the different window options. The goal of this hardware is to provide shops with specs to build to and connect local customers to them. Adding standardization gives shops something to measure and make improvements from. It helps them more accurately set prices and conditions of work. They own the means of production, so investing in the window making process means investing in the shop as a whole. This goes for the customer as well. These pieces of hardware are your tools, your means of production. Think about all the useful information these long-lasting windows can provide, allowing you to create more and more value over time.